I'm Gregg Wallace, and today I'm in Oswestry on behalf of McCain and Family Fund. They are a charity that wants to provide grants and services to over 150,000 families who are raising disabled and seriously ill children. In these difficult times of rising food costs, a lot of families are feeling the pinch. I'm meeting with a family today because I want to really understand the challenges that meet them each and every mealtime and how Family Fund and McCain are helping out. Daisy, you got a kettle? Daisy, please explain to me Rhys's condition.
Rhys was born with an anorectal malformation. He was born 4 weeks early. He's got chronic kidney disease and gut motility problems. So sometimes his stomach goes too fast and other times it goes too slow.
Rhys, you know how you feel. Tell me, explain to me how you feel.
Sometimes my stomach just doesn't want to eat. There's good and there's bad days, and you never know if it's a good or a bad day.
You're very strong. I'm not sure I would cope with that as well as you do.
Rhys is very specific about what he eats. He'll go from one thing to another.
How do you pre-plan meals if you can't pre-plan?
You don't pre-plan meals with Rhys, you just go with what he wants on the day.
Have you noticed the cost of food rising?
Yeah, and it's not even like pennies, it's like pounds.
How tight is it?
It's the first time in 3 months that I thought I could actually afford to buy a roast pork joint.
Seriously?
Seriously.
You okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Tell me about meal times.
It's an hour where I'm sat with them, listening to what they've got to say and how their day has been.
Mum can make a really good meal out of anything.
Let's see how you do your shopping. Next time, can we play ABBA? What do you make with these?
Lasagna, pizza, chips.
And you are the pizza fiend, are you?
Yeah.
How many carrots do you want?
2.
Daisy, while you're doing the cooking, who's looking after Rhys?
Well, Molly, my eldest, will help.
Do you and the girls eat at the same time as Rhys?
Yeah.
So you have to have 2 meals ready at the same time?
Yeah.
This is not easy.
I have to teach myself to do meals on a relatively low budget, yeah.
Nice food doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Jars of stuff, frozen stuff, it's all good stuff. Is it important to always have some store cupboard stands?
Staples, yeah. Flour, pasta, chips, and then obviously frozen veg.
I like that. I do like that. There we are.
The first one's always the hardest to get out, isn't it?
What you do every day is not easy, and you are absolutely determined to give them a proper dinner every night. Tell me, how does Family Fund help your situation?
We've been on holidays that I wouldn't have been able to afford. They pay a haulage for us to move house.
Rhys needs a lot of your attention. Does it mean sometimes the girls miss out, do you think?
I do feel like I can't ever spend enough time with them.
I was a single parent. I brought my children up on my own. I think the job you've done here with your children is remarkable. I think you should be really proud of yourself. If you'd like to find out how Family Fund are helping families like Daisy's, then please check out familyfund.org.uk.